Hello, happy first day of spring. It's March 19th, 2020, the vernal equinox, and a week since a national emergency was declared in the United States over the COVID-19 global pandemic. So a few points I'd like to make in this video. One is that the coronavirus that causes COVID-19 is a droplet contact pathogen. So the virus is in saliva and mucus and in droplets when someone will sneeze or cough, and it spreads like that. It's not airborne. It's in the fluid and it can land on something and then you can touch it and get it in your nose, eyes, mouth. A mask like the paper mask here or a cloth mask will protect. It's not a guaranteed protection, but it will serve some degree of protection. So they're useful to have and they're beneficial to have. And a lot of people realize that. Therefore, many masks have been bought and there's a shortage of masks to a certain extent. Healthcare workers are having a hard time getting them because there's such a shortage. And so people who have these masks, you really need to reuse them. Another point that's of value is that the coronavirus is actually pretty delicate, especially at higher temperatures. So I've read in multiple sources that above 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, the proteins get denatured and it's unable to infect. And so that's what we would want to do to protect against it. Now a hairdryer gets pretty hot. I've got here a meat thermometer. Let's see how hot we can go. I got up to 180 degrees. Ow. Ow, that is hot. So, now we know we've got a pretty good source of heat. So here I've got a paper surgical mask and some aluminum foil. I've got the foil because you don't really just want to be blowing on the mask and blowing little particles of virus all over. And aluminum is a good conductor of heat. So let's see what we can do here. This way you can get your cloth or paper mask nice and hot, destroy all the viruses and reuse them. And then there won't be as much of a shortage of masks in the future for healthcare workers who need to reuse them over and over again. So that's my little piece of advice and hopefully doing my part to help in this case. And also for everyone who went crazy buying toilet paper. This is what you should have gotten years ago and you wouldn't have had that problem.